Happy weekend sa inyo dyan lahat at guys, samahan nyo kami today at pupunta naman kami doon na uli sa summer house ng boyfriend ko kasi napakaganda kasi ang ang weather, kaya ayun at yan mag-ano siya doon, magpapanday siya doon at tapusin na yung hindi niya natapos sa paggawa ng ng wool or doon sa ng bahay, yung niya yung summer house niya. Sasamahan nyo kami at today napakaganda talaga ng weather dito at napakainit at yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Yan gayo ang weather, napakaganda ng panahon today. Ayan. Yan po yung yung mga nabili ko na mga itong atsal at nilabas ko kasi kailangan kasi daw nito na ilabas sa init kasi nagkaroon siya ng ganito guys. Oh, ayan, oh, yung parang nagkaroon siya ng dust, kaya need ang maarawan at need din yung magkaroon siya ng makahinga or magkaroon ng ng hangin, oxygen. Ayan, nag-prepare na kami na dadalhin doon sa summer house. Ayan, mga vegetable, ito cake, ito yung leftover, egg, vegetable, kami kain kami ng salad doon, tapos barbecue. Ayan, ito yung namin na harvest dyan sa small garden namin. Ayan, nag-harvest yung boyfriend ko. Ayan.
Because this snow don't need to be cold.
Put in the
No,
and also the fruit. And how about this? Okay, ordinary bag. I have to put it. And this one also. Oh, have a lot of foods.
Yeah.
Only stay for 4 days. Yeah. Something you're gonna stay there for 1 month.
Maybe have to buy potatoes.
Oh yeah, potato, yeah.
If you shall mash it.
Oh, that's nice. That's delicious.
Yeah.
Ayan na yung mga
But we just have the barbecue food now. We have the fish.
Yeah.
And I have the pulsa.
Yeah. So
shall we take some chicken?
Yeah. Ayan guys, nagsimula na kaming travel. Ayan, ang ganda pa rin ng panahon dito. It's about 24 degrees. Ayan. At ang ingay-ingay is a noisy car. Ayan guys, also beautiful. The nature was so beautiful. And of course, my boyfriend is there. She enjoying driving and looking the nice view outside. Enjoying the weather today. Hopefully the weather will be good until tomorrow. Small river. And have small house beside the road.
Almost on the road.
Oh yeah, it's an old houses there. Guslia is the name of this place.
Yeah, it's on the top here some place.
Kailangan namin muna stop at pakita niya yung magandang view dito sa sa lugar na to. Ayan guys, so ang ganda talaga. Battery slow na ako. Yeah, ay, super ganda. Ayan guys, so ang ganda. Wow. You have been here? You've been here? Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. My love.
Yeah, holding you.
Nice. Yan guys, ang ganda. Somebody go there down?
Yeah. So let's go up there also.
Oh,
You want to climb?
okay.
And you go first. Don't have the shoes.
Yeah, you can go. You have to go first.
You want to go up there?
No, yeah. It's not dangerous to go up.
People also go up there, but I don't think they do that.
No, I'm afraid. It's nicer, it's nice. Ah, there's a pools, my love. There are the small pools there. There. Oh my God. It's nice. It's nice. Oh my God. My love.
Careful, I didn't hold you.
Huh?
I hold you.
Have a nice picture. Yeah. Love you so much. So this is you can also eat this?
Yeah, the berries. Yeah.
This is also berries?
It's crackling.
Oh?
Yeah, it's very good.
Oh. So I thought that is not this is not a berry.
Yeah, it's a berry.
Oh, there's a lot here.
You can make a lot of things of that.
Oh?
It's not so sweet as the blueberry, but it's and you can make a gel of this, and you can have it with beside the meat also.
Oh?
Yeah.
Really, my love? And this is ready to eat?
Huh?
This is ready to eat?
It can wait a little.
Ah, okay, because it's a little bitter.
Quite good.
Oh. Yeah, it's kind of bitter.
Yeah. Yeah, but they are a little bitter.
Uh-huh. This is a berry.
Can we go down?
Yeah. It's very nice. It's good vibes, good to my brain. Oh, nice, my love. Huh? No. It's nice to go there, you know. Huh?
Yeah, I don't think you see any more.
No. It's better to go there off, but only you can say like. Yeah. Yep.
Also on the top of there.
Oh, really? People can go there?
Yeah. If they are crazy or not.
Oh, I can't.
Can't.
No.
Because if you slip, you
Oh, my God.
hit the rainbow.
Yeah, oh, my ring. India. That's very deep, my love. That's very deep.
No, I don't think so.
Nakarating na kami dito, guys, sa kanyang summer house. Wala na sarit. Yan, guys, haba na naman ng damo dito sa bahay niya kasi 2 weeks na kami hindi nakapunta rito. Ayan, magkakating na naman siya ng grass. Yan. Ano naman? Gagay. Inside it's little bit cold.
Yeah, it's good.
Mm.
Because the sun is not so hard enough.
Mm.
I don't need to make a fire.
No, it's not.
It's 22 inside.
Yeah, it
and
is.
22 outside. Night and
20.
inside. No, it's the highest. It's 28. It's 22 both places.
Uy,
In ute.
wow. Yeah, I'm gonna help you to take a lot of things outside.
Put on the floor of the
Mm.
toilet.
Yeah. It's nice weather, my love, because outside is 28 and inside the house is 22. Kita ko sa inyo yung ano, yung style ng ano nila dito, CR sa summer house nila, katulad din sa atin. Kaso lang nilagyan nila ng parang ano yun, ng parang hindi naman, parang ano ng kahoy yun na may deodorant, parang may ano amoy na hindi pagkatapos magbawas lalagyan siya ng ganito guys, oh, na parang ano ng kahoy, tapos may para hindi maging amoy yung ano pupo. Yan po ang style ng guy. Habang nagkakating ng grass yung aking boyfriend, ako po ay magluluto ng aming dinner. Ayan po siya, talagang ano talaga, hirap mag-cutting ng grass. At yan, yung mga Norwegian, pag nagka-cutting yan ng sila ng grass, kailangan talaga na may over protection sila sa mga mukha nila para hindi matamaan ng grass yung mukha nila. Ayan siya. So for today guys, ito po yung dinner namin ng aking boyfriend. Ay ako po ay magluluto ng sinabawan na or tinulang manok. Ito po yung manok at ito po yung pitsay at ito yung patatas at haluan ko po ng carrots kasi yan kasi ang mga at ano nila dito sabaw, may carrots na inilagay at ito yung kamatis, onion at itong tangkay ng tanglad at itong garlic or bawang. So yan po ang lulutuin ko for tonight sa aming dinner ng aking boyfriend. Simula na ako magluto. Sarap kasi yung yung tinula may nilalagay na kamatis para medyo maasim-asim, diba? Yung sabaw. Yan na lang, nilagay ko na itong mga kasi minali lang kasi itong manok sabay ko na lang yan siya. Yung boyfriend ko guys, hindi yan siya masilan sa mga pagkain. Mas gusto niya yung mga pagkain natin ng mga Pinoy. Ayan. Ito. Wala natin ito. Ganyan. Ito rin, nagano ako ng kanin. Ayan. So, ito na guys, luto na ito. At alam nyo guys, yung boyfriend ko guys, paborito niya yung mga sabaw na pagkain. Kaya sinabawan ko siya nagtula ako ng chicken. Ayan. And sana magustuhan niya itong ulam natin na niluto.